Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello, I'm Saida. My name is Dafakur Nayudono and my lesson PM number is 077. Okay, here in this video, I want to make a video and explanation for the midterm test project phonology. Okay, number one is they explain the sound of its consonants like p, b, f, and f, and h, yeah, and provide an example of the word in the initial and final position. Okay, the first one is p and b. P, the example initial position is play and the final position is stop. And the explanation is p, voiceless bilabial plosive, produced by blocking airflow with the lips and releasing it without vibrating the vocal cords. Yeah, the vocal cords. And the b, example initial position is boy, and the final position is cape. Cape. Yeah, the explanation is b is voice bilabial and plosive, same with p, but with vocal cord vibration. Okay, the number two is off and f, off and f. Okay, off, example initial position is face, and in the final position is half. Okay, the explanation is off is voiceless, labiodental, and fricative, and air passes between the bottom lip and upper teeth without vibration. Okay, and f, the example initial position is very, and the final position is 5. Okay, the explanation is f is voice, labiodental, and fricative, same mouth position as of, but with vocal cord vibration. Okay, that is us and the. Us, example initial position is swim, and the final position is glass. And the explanation, us is voiceless, alveolar, and fricative. Air flows through a narrow gap at the alveolar ridge without vocal cord vibration. Okay, and the example initial position is 0, and the final position is size. The explanation is the is voice alveolar fricative, similar to us but with vocal cords vibrating. Okay, similar to us but with vocal cords vibrating. And number 4 is ch, ch, and j, j. Okay, the ch, example initial position is chair, chair, and the final position is march, march. Okay, the explanation, ch is voiceless post alveolar or palatal, and affricates begins like a th and releases into a sound like mix. And the example initial position is Japan, and the final position is bridge. And the explanation the is voiced post alveolar or palatal, and affricates begins like a the and releases into a th sound. Okay. The number 5 is ke and ge. Okay. The example initial position ke is king, and the final position is Luke. The explanation ke is voiceless, velar, and plosive, made by blocking the back of the tongue against the soft palate and releasing air. Okay, and G, the example initial position is green, and final position is ago. The explanation is G is voice, velar, and plosive, same as K, but with vocal cords vibrating. Okay, the next number 6 is the and the this is very difficult ya. The example example initial position is thanks, and the final position is mouth, and the explanation is the is the T and H is mixed, yeah. The is voiceless, dental, and fricative, and air is forced between the tongue and teeth without vibration. It's very difficult. Okay, and the the example initial position is this, and the final position is bathe. Okay, the explanation is this consonant is T and H is mixed with the read is D. The this is voice, dental, and fricative. Same tongue position as the, but with vocal cords vibrating. Oh my. Okay, the next is number 7 is the and the. Okay, the example initial position is table, and the final position is bed. Okay, the explanation the is voiceless, alveolar, and plosive, made by touching the tongue to the alveolar ridge and releasing air without vocal cord vibration. Without vocal cord vibration, and the example initial position is draw, and the final position is bed. The explanation is the is voice, alveolar, and plosive, same as like the, but with vocal cord vibration. Okay, the next number 8 is sh, 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 and uh, and uch, uch, sh, okay, like this. Okay, uch, the example initial, the example initial position is show, show, and the final position is cache, cache. Okay, the explanation is the sh is voiceless, post-alveolar, and fricative. The air is pushed through a narrow constriction behind the alveolar ridge without vocal and vibration. And uh, ch, so, uh, uh, between us and D and the mix, yeah. The example initial position is not set, yeah. The H is uh, maybe in the middle position, and the initial position is not yet. The middle position like measure and treasure, and the final position is camouflage. And the explanation is voice, post alveolar, and fricative. Same tone position as sh, but with vocal cord vibration. Okay, the last one is number 9 is al and r, al and r. Okay, al. The example initial position is learn, learn, and the final position is feel, feel. Okay, the explanation is is voice, alveolar, and lateral approximant. Air flows along the sides of the tongue. Okay, and r, the example initial position is room, a room, and the final position is fear, fear. Okay, the explanation r is voice, alveolar, and approximant. The tongue is near but not touching the alveolar ridge. Air flows freely. Okay, this is the number 1, the consonant, yeah. And next, number 2 is explanation the consonant in tongue twister. Okay, the tongue twister, the first one with k and g sound. Okay, explanation, the k, yeah, and g. Okay, first example, the k and g is the k. The example of k is cook, curled, catch, and call. K is voiceless, velar, and plosive. And the explanation, it is produced by blocking the back of the mouth with the tongue and quickly releasing air without vocal and vibration. And the j, okay, the example is good, green, goal, and golf. G sound is a voice, flar, and plosive. It is made by the same movement like K, but with vibration of the vocal cords. Okay, the tongue twister. The second of tongue twister is P and B. P and B. Okay, the P example is pen, push, pause, and pow. Okay, the P sound is a voiceless, bilabial, and plosive, produced by clashing both lips uh, to stop the airflow and then releasing it without vocal cord vibration. And the B example is bass, big, ball, and bowl. The B sound is a voiceless, bilabial, and plosive, produced by closing both lips to stop the airflow and releasing it without vocal and vocal cord vibration. Okay, the last one is tongue twister. The third tongue twister uh, are t and d. T and d. Okay, the example sound from t are talk, t, two, and ten. Okay, the explanation. The t sound is voiceless, alveolar, and plosive. The explanation is produced by touching the tongue to the alveolar ridge just behind the upper teeth and releasing the air without vocal cord vibration. And the example from the are dream, dry, dark, and door. Okay, the sound is a voiced, alveolar, and plosive, made in the same place like t, but with vocal cord vibration. Okay, maybe that is from me. And the reflection question is very 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 hard, and I answer and in the PDF for the reflection question. Okay, uh, thank you. This is from me for midterm test project phonology, the with the material consonant and tongue twister. uh, Thank you for watching, and sorry if there's maybe a lot of mistake from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.